The year is 2021, and yes, the DJI MAVIC Air 2 is certainly worth it. Here's why. So you click this money because you want a high quality drone, but you don't want to pay high quality drone prices. And what I'm here to tell you is you don't necessarily need the most new and the most expensive drone. It is done fine for weddings, it's done fine for commercial work, it is done fine for my personal projects. So it's been about a year since I've had this drone, and honestly, I think it was the best investment for my YouTube and for my business in general. People say that, oh, like every year a new drone comes out, you need to get it, you need to get the newest, best thing, but they're just like iPhones. You don't necessarily need the newest iPhone to get the job done. You can have an older iPhone and still get very cinematic shots. Just like an older camera can still get a very cinematic shot, just depends on the lens and the user. This drone is the DJI MAVIC Air 2, and I got it last year around November. It shoots in 4K, it has a 48 megapixel camera, and you could put an SD card into the slot there. It has about a 30 to 33 minute battery life, and I honestly have no complaints about this drone whatsoever. The only downfall about this drone is that if you were to take it to parks or like established businesses, then you need to have it registered. What to also get with this drone I recommend is ND filters, because that'll help you film more cinematic pieces at any time of the day. If you're like me and you work another job, you can't necessarily get out at sunrise or sunset every single day. So if you're out there in the middle of the day just randomly, the ND filters are gonna help you make more cinematic shots in the long run. If you're looking for good ND filters, I'll link some in the description below. The next step up from this drone is the MAVIC Air 2S and the MAVIC 2 Pro. Those both cost more money than this drone, and they don't do too much more than this ability. Other drones do not have 4K at this price range, and if you're looking to spend if you're middle tier, like you're starting to take this more serious, highly want to recommend this drone. It leaves you great room for growth. In fact, let's get out there and fly this right now. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.